Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video, we will look at the types of 3D objects which we can use for object tracking or superimposition based augmented reality. So in this video, we will look at the important criteria which a 3D object must satisfy, and in the next video, I'll explain you the process of scanning a 3D model. Because before scanning, you must first select a proper 3D model. Now, as per Vueforia's website, the 3D object that is used for object tracking should meet the following criteria. First, it should be opaque, that is, it should not be transparent or one should not be able to see through that object. For example, the bottle on the left is opaque as you cannot see through it. The bottle on the right is not opaque as we can easily see through it. The second criteria is that the object must be rigid, that is, the object must be hard and it should not be easily bent or forced out of shape. The third criteria is that the object must have minimum moving points. The best example of 3D objects which satisfy the above conditions are action figures, toy cars or toys. Now, this action figure model which I have is opaque, that is, you cannot see through it, it is rigid and it has few moving parts. The arms and legs of this action figure can be moved, but they can only move if any external force is applied to it, that is, if I move them manually. Similarly, this red car which I have is also opaque, rigid and it has no moving parts. Now, pliable or deformable objects are not supported in object tracking. The best example of pliable or deformable objects is a bag, cap or even flexible back cover of a smartphone. So guys, before scanning your 3D object, please make sure that the 3D object satisfy the above three criteria. Now, the environment in which you place the 3D model also plays an important role. The 3D object should be scanned and it should be viewed indoors under moderate bright light and diffuse lighting. That is, the light must be equally spread over a large area. The surface of the 3D object must have equal amount of light and there should not be shadows caused by bigger objects or other people. So, to conclude, action figures and toy cars should be the best object to get started with this object tracker project. And if you want to read more related to Vueforia's object recognition technique, then you can check this link from the resource section. Okay, so guys, that's it from this video and I'll see you in the next video.